EdTech psychology is the study of how people learn when technology is part of the classroom. It asks a simple but important question. Why do some digital lessons help children remember, understand, and stay curious, while others feel confusing or tiring? Imagine learning as building a little house in your mind. Books, teachers, games, videos, and apps can all bring in bricks. But if the bricks arrive in a messy pile, the house is hard to build. Good educational technology helps sort the bricks, place them one by one, and make sure the walls are strong. One big idea in EdTech psychology is attention. A child's brain can focus only on a limited amount at one time. If a screen flashes too many colors, sounds, and buttons, the brain may feel like a noisy playground. The lesson can become harder to follow. Helpful apps keep the path clear so the important idea stands out. Another idea is memory. People remember better when they do a little work with the idea, not just look at it. That is why quizzes, drag and drop activities, and practice games can help. They are like exercise for memory. Each time a child answers, the brain makes a stronger path to the answer. EdTech psychology also cares about feedback. If a child makes a mistake and the computer says only wrong, that is not very helpful. But if it says try again and look at the picture on the left, the child gets a clue. Good feedback is like a friendly guide on a trail. Motivation matters too. Many children try harder when they feel progress. A star, a badge, or a level can be exciting. But the best motivation comes from curiosity and success, not just prizes. A good learning app makes children feel, I can do this, and I want to know more. There is also a warning. Technology is useful, but it is not magic. A lesson with laptop screens is not automatically better than a lesson with paper and a teacher. The best tools match the learner, the subject, and the goal. Sometimes a drawing on paper, a class discussion, or a hands-on activity is the clearest way to learn. So EdTech psychology helps designers and teachers ask careful questions. Does this tool support attention?